In motion of satellites, necessary centripetal force is provided by gravitational force. In ripple tank, 40 waves pass through a certain point in 1 second. If the wavelength of the waves is 5 cm, then find the speed of the wave. (2 meters per second). The product of frequency and time period is equal to (1). Trough in waves act as concave lens. In Doppler effect, if listener moves towards stationary source, the observed frequency is greater than original frequency. Refrigerator is an example of second law of thermodynamics. In certain process, 400 joules of heat energy is supplied to a system and at the same time 150 joules of work is done by the system. The increase in internal energy of the system is (250 joule). The rapid escape of air from a burst tire is an example of adiabatic. The bicycle works on a principle of first law of thermodynamics. Two positive point charges are placed 2 meters apart. The electric potential at midpoint due to these two charges will be added to double. Which one of the following is the angle of projection of a projectile if its range is equal to its height? (76°). The product of force and time is equal to change in momentum. The time rate of change of linear momentum of a body is equal to force. If 10 Newton force moves a body around a circular path of radius 50 cm, what is the work done in completing one revolution? Zero. 3 kg stone falls from 20 meter high platform. Find its falling speed at 10 meter height. (14 meters per second). The area under force displacement time graph gives us work. Kilometer/hour is the unit of electric energy. The food we eat in one day has the same energy as 0.3 liter of petrol. One complete circle is equal to 6 radian. Red light is used in photographic darkroom because of less frequency, more wavelength. For gaining an atomic spectra, an evacuated glass tube is filled with hydrogen. During production of X-rays, the cathode and anode are closed inside an evacuated glass chamber, and high DC voltage of the order of 1000 volt is maintained. Half-life of iodine 131 is 8 days. If 20 mg is present initially, how much iodine is left behind after 2 half-lives? 5 mg. 4.5 into 10 raised to power 9 is the half-life of uranium-236. When a charge Q on a capacitor is doubled, then energy stored will be for U. By increasing area of the plates and decreasing distance between them, the capacitance of capacitor increases. If we double separation between two charges, the Coulomb force will become one by 4. The power of an electric bulb is 100 watt. It is connected to 110 volt power supply. The resistance of electric bulb will be (121 ohms). Terminal voltage of a battery is greater than EMF of the battery when battery is charging. If length of wire becomes 2 times of its original value and area become 1/2 to its original value, then resistance of the wire becomes 4 times. The unit of resistivity is ohm meter. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 joule. It is a null type resistance device for measuring potential difference. Potentiometer.